Here we are again, and now we're into the last part that I'm going to be doing for you in two-point perspective, and it is a geometric shape below the horizon line. Okay, so I've done it here. Now I'm going to start from 0 for you, and we're going to go forward that way. Here we are again. So I've already notched my paper in 3 points so that I get very exact my horizon line. And I'm going to do it high because my geometric shape is going to be below the horizon line. There's my horizon line, and now I'm going to start my leading edge. So I have to find it somewhere, and as I keep mentioning, I keep underlining that normally if I had the box in front of me, I would be sighting it and transferring the angle to here to find my vanishing points. But here I'm just guessing it to make it quickly. So there is my leading edge. Now, I picked about 5 inches, and now I have to find my vanishing points. And again, I am going to recapitulate. The further off they are from my paper, the more natural they are going to appear. So I'm going to try to get as close as I can to the edge on one, but the other one I don't have to. Because it will help distort a little bit on one side, and it'll be interesting, okay? So this is my point A that should find a vanishing point on the left and a vanishing point on the right. So it just, towards the end, it's you know, it shifted, so I wanted to have a little bit more precise. And this one, I'm going to try to make it, this is why I put it not in the center, but I put it off to the side. So it forces me to find a, in the paper, vanishing point, which will distort one side a little bit more, while the other side is going to be more natural. A very important part that I guess I haven't mentioned yet is that when drawing, your pencil point is really crucial for exactitude. So if you use it a lot and you're not worried about it, it's going to start getting round and round and round. So we do not want that to happen, because then it becomes less precise, and then that's when we have problems of angles and degrees of angles, and then it's off and it's awkward. Okay, so now because I'm on my base, we have to establish the foundation of the floor part, and this is the guesstimate. right side goes to my left vanishing point. Now I'm going to pick my left side going to my right vanishing point. Whatever looks good to me and allows me to not have them cross at this point behind my front plane, because then it becomes very awkward, and I don't want that at this point. So right now I'm visualizing a rectangle that does not cross behind my leading edge. So I see now a rectangle. Now I'm going to try to erase some of these lines that will confuse me. We have to simplify. Okay. Having said and done that, now I need to create my side wall. So point A went to my vanishing point on the right, point A went to my vanishing point on the left. Now I need my point B to do the same. There we go. So now the next step is connecting. Okay? I still do not want to be confused, so I want to take this back further where I don't need it to interfere. If I had a T-square, it would be very easy, but I don't. Okay, what's the next step? This angle on the right goes to the vanishing point on the left. This angle on the left goes to my vanishing point on the right. The only thing that's left is for this angle to meet that angle. But I'm still going to get rid of my lines to avoid confusion. The eraser is going to be your friend at this point. there is my box, finished. My geometric shape below my horizon line. Rectangular geometric shape below my horizon line. I'm just going to emphasize the lines that optically appear closest to the viewer. There is your step-by-step construction in a transparent rectangular geometric shape when it is below my horizon line. So now for the homework or for the next project, let's say assignment, it is the same 6 geometric shapes that are different shapes, widths, sizes, based upon the square and the rectangle. 2 below the horizon line, 2 above the horizon line drawn, and 2 in between, halfway above, halfway below the horizon line, and for a total of 6. Okay, so now all I can say is thank you for seeing this video. Be safe, creative, and above all, healthy. Thank you.